Cek, 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 cek. Cek. 1, 2, 3. Halo, halo semua. Oke, jadi malam ini live streaming lagi. Berkat donat dari ERP yang sudah menambah waktu subaturnya lagi. Jadi ya live streaming malam ya. Biasanya kan kita udah nggak live malam lagi tuh. Tapi karena memang ada tambahan waktu, makanya kita live lagi. Dan untuk hari ini, malam ini kita bakal live streaming eFootball. eFootball 2023, game terbaik sepanjang masa. Game sepak bola terbaik sepanjang sejarah ya, sepanjang masa lah eFootball. Oke, sebentar, ini tadi, saya login dulu eFootballnya. Ini kan lagi ada pertandingan BRI Liga 1 ini ya, PSM versus Dewa. Saya sempat nonton tadi coy. Oh, ternyata skor sementara PSM unggul 1-0. Let's go. 1-0 ya, 45 menit. Jadi ya mudah-mudahan sih menang ya, 3 poin lagi. Siapa yang nyetak gol nih? Yuran Fernandes ya, di menit penalti. Menit 38. Saya nggak nonton soalnya cuy. Aduh. Susah juga mau nontonnya soalnya berbayar kan, di video berbayar kan? Berbayar kan di video. Aduh. Baiklah, sambil menunggu hasil dari pertandingan PSM, jadi kita bakal main eFootball dulu. Soalnya saya belum login tadi hari ini karena maintenance hari Kamis itu lama banget maintenance-nya, dari siang kayaknya tadi. Halo semuanya, welcome. Ada Ibnu Kurniawan, ada Narsi Roxipin, ada Niki Ori, Andreas juga welcome. Ya, nambah billing tadi pas mau habis billingnya cuy. Tersisa 30 menit kayaknya tadi ya. Tadi siang itu tersisa 30 menit. Terus Mas ERP-nya datang langsung nambah billing 2 jam setengah. Terus ya udah nambah lagi cuy. Bentar, ini internet kenapa nih? Agak susah sih sekarang live malam ya. Itu agak ini koneksinya nggak stabil ini. Merah kuning hijau selalu tuh. Kalau siang mantap banget. Nggak pernah merah saya lihat, cuman hijau doang. Tolonglah, jangan berulang lagi dulu di rumah. PSM gratis ya di video ya? Wah. Oke, gratis. Aduh, saya mau nonton juga nih sebenarnya pakai HP ya. Cuman HP saya dicas. Ya udah, ntar 30 menit lah. Ya, tapi kalau nunggu sampai penuh udah selesai pertandingannya. Ya udah, intinya nanti kalau misalnya ada yang nonton di sini kasih tahu aja saya kalau misalnya ada yang gol gitu. Sambil kita main eFootball dulu. Baik banget. Video gratis. Bentar, duit kita sisa berapa ini? GP-nya. Kumpul dulu lah GP, kayaknya 302 ya. Kita kumpul-kumpul aja dulu sih. Saya mau beli penyerang soalnya. Saya mau lihat juga apa tuh? Player of the Week. Player of the Week. Nih. Oh ya, ini nih, udah benar. Wah, ada Lewandowski ternyata. Wah, sayang sekali kita tidak punya koin, coy. Lumayan kalau dapat 97. Bah. Oh iya, tadi sempat saya lihat Winda Basudara kayaknya live itu ya. Kayaknya dia main di football deh. Kalau nggak salah lihat tadi dia ada Lewandowski kayaknya. Oh, tuh kan. Semoga aku dapat sang legenda baru Lewandowski eFootball. Anjir, ini dia gacha berapa nih? Ada yang nonton tadi gak sih? Dapat nggak sih? Kalau dia bikin konten malah dapat ini kayaknya. Dapat sih itu dia. Nggak mungkin dia bikin live streaming. Semoga aku dapat lewat Doski, tapi nggak dapat. Pasti dibikin sampai dapat dia itu. Oh, Rans menang ya? Wah, Persebaya menurun ini. Kalau match yang kurang ramai di video pasti gratis bang, kecuali yang ya marketing ya, marketing. Oh nggak dapat dia ya? Wah, habis berapa? Wah keren, wah buset Lewandowski. Masalahnya ratingnya ini pas 97. Kalau misalnya ratingnya 91 atau 90 ya, tapi bukan kartu legend namanya kalau misalnya rating rendah ya. Ini tinggi banget coy. Oh dia ngantuk ya. Aduh. Saya belum. Ini daftar pemain spesial tadi yang Milan. Ini yang masih ngebug ya, kartu epic nih. Masih ngebug ini. 3 doang ya yang legend. Selebihnya ini ada Ronaldinho juga. Eder Cafu. Wah, fans AC Milan yang fanatik ini bakal digacha ini kayaknya. Anjir, Konami banyak banget dapat duit dari sini. Siapa nih? Tadic, Handanovic, Lacroix, Jose Angel Carmona, kemudian ada Pedro Gonçalves juga, Beto, Rodrigo, 93 juga Rodrigo. Lah Rodrigo, oh iya, nggak license ya. Lucu sekali lihat jersinya tuh. Kayak Pak, polos bener. Ini Konami bener-bener nggak niat banget ya bikin jersey. Yo ampun, dari dulu itu MD White kayak gitu aja itu, nggak ada yang berubah. Dibikin keren dikit lah, Madrid ini loh. Masa kayak gitu jersinya? Ya jutaan kayaknya ya. Jutaan kayaknya habis tuh duit. Gacha-gacha. Italian League ini 6 hari lagi selesai. Ini dulu kali ya, mungkin yang start dulu, kita lanjutkan dulu sih ininya, eventnya yang ini. Ya Pedro Gonçalves jadi center mid. Wah ini yang 9-0 nih cok, parah karena ya pemula. Oke, kita gas lagi ke pertandingan pertama yang starter dulu lah, kita selesaikan dulu yang ini. 3 match terakhir Persebaya mengalami kekalahan bang, belum lagi lawannya di pekan ke-11 Arema FC, rival. Sekarang Persebaya gawat ini Persebaya. Posisi 12 ya. Wah Bayangkara juga sih parah banget dah. Pengaturan udah selesai, udah nggak usah kita rubah ini, tinggal mungkin ganti merah jersinya dia. Kita lawan siapa sih ini? Stade de Reims. Woi Master League woi, Konami woi, Master League lah. Kangen banget pengen Master League. Persebaya habis semua pemain musim lalu, belum pada nyetel. Ya, karena ini ya, kebanyakan pemain muda kan mereka sekarang.
Well, a very good evening to you wherever you are. I do hope that you can join me in appreciating this truly beautiful evening. A night that is absolutely ideal for a game of football. The scenes here really are something. A beautiful picture under the floodlights. Traffic and transport round
Yoks,
here.
kita mulai kick off babak pertama.
But regardless of that, the fans have found a way of getting here.
Oke, Chilwell.
Of theatre and the decibel levels are rising.
Loko enggak? Minamino. Lingard bro. Angkat kasih ke Darwin. Aduh. Gini loh, umpan-umpan crossingnya di PES itu enak banget. PES lagi e-football, sorry. Game terbaik sepanjang masa. Chilwell.
And it's Lingard.
Lingard. Minamino. Waduh, Darwin Nunes.
Spread out to the left.
Loko. Kok dibiarin?
Left his man.
Van de Waals. Woi, menang duel dia. Ayo Rudiger.
Lingard. All good.
Oke, Luis Alberto. Kasih lari aja si Darwin.
Darwin. Gets away from there.
Let's go. Darwin Nunes.
Manchester United.
Ya nggak gitu ya? Ya, saya pikir tadi kayak gitu selebrasinya.
All his own doing. I'm not making any apologies, but I was willing him to surprise.
Dewa PSM gratis, kalau Persis baru bayar bang. Waduh.
After 12 minutes is number 27,
Darwin Nunes.
Manchester United have an early lead. Good start.
Elangga.
Final ball
Yo
not quite
ampun.
right. His team
Don't be ya.
irritated at that. And here's the chance for
Flips.
counter. And it's played forward. Minamino.
Chilwell, apakah bisa masuk nih? Chilwell, waduh.
Knocks it away.
Luis Alberto.
Luis Alberto. And they're on him in a
Eh,
flash. Oh, it's come
apa itu?
loose.
Lingard.
Interesting ball. Shot could be
Ito. Oh, Ito, jangan Ito. Oke, Jesse Lingard, apa yang terjadi? Oh, tackle Sandi, good. Mana Elangga. Oke, Jesse Lingard angkat ke depan. Iya, ampun.
tackling here, and that one a perfect example. Just eases him off the ball.
Sliding aja Anda.
Pressing is high and relentless. And that is as far as they're going to go.
Itu kan apa itu tadi maksudnya? Umpan macam apa itu? Padahal saya pengennya ngasih umpan ke Elangga tadi harusnya. Segitiga ke Elangga. Ayo Elangga crossing ke tengah. Darwin di sana. Wih, nggak lompat lo Darwin Nunes. Males banget dia.
So, oh, it's come loose.
Nah, gitu dong. Oh. Brace. Mas, oh bentar, saya buka video dulu ya. Video. 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 Tapi saya harus matiin suaranya nih. Kalau nggak masalahnya. Bentar ya, saya coba lihat dulu ini. Lah, nonton konten ini gratis di aplikasi video. Buka aplikasi coba. Harus di HP coy. Kalau mau di ini, kalau mau di web itu premium katanya. Ya udahlah, nunggu HP saya penuh aja casnya.
Manchester United have a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
2-0 kita menang. Loko.
More pressure now to get the next goal, and the other will fancy their chances of turning 2 into 3.
Ayo Lingard. Oke, Jesse. Slide, lu lolos dong. Nah, Timber. Bagus sekali. Lingard. Elanga. Angkat Elanga. Nice. Ada Agbadu tapi dicuri oleh Darwin Nunes. Kasih ke Luis Alberto, coba syuting Alberto. Alberto. Oh, di web bisa ya? Tadi kenapa akun saya nggak mau itu ya? Winda main PS emulator lag parah, mainnya patah-patah. Wah. Kenapa itu? Apa emulatornya bermasalah atau PC-nya ya? Tapi nggak mungkin, masa PC-nya kentang? Emulatornya kayaknya tuh. Coba. Oh ya, bisa. Ah, bangke tadi kenapa nggak mau tadi ya? Kasih tahu ya kalau misalnya ada suara yang kalian dengar, suara pertandingan PSM ya. Karena saya harus matiin itu. Jangan sampai kena strike lagi. Di sini sih saya udah matiin, cuman siapa tahu ada kesalahan dan malah suaranya nongol lagi. Mudah-mudahan enggak ya. Nah. Woi, kenapa lag ini? Lag. Pada protes di video. Oh, kok lag? Kenapa itu? Halo Neng Ruri. Sandi, gol perdana Sandi. Waduh. Kalau menurut pendapat Bang Dandi, salah satu penyebabnya karena 640 fps. Hah? 640 fps? Gede banget 40 fps. Nge-lag nih pertandingan PSM sama Dewa. Oke, Chilwell. Loko enggak?
Now the counter.
There will be 1 minute at a time.
Oh, that's a key interception.
Sandi,
And it's Lingard.
Lingard.
Nice ball, and he might be in here.
Pelanggaran.
Free kick. There could be trouble here. And for now, the referee is keeping his cards in his pocket.
Aduh.
And we hit half-time. Any strong opinions on the first half?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position. So why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with a
Oke, babak pertama kelar.
Manchester United ahead 2-0, and they are looking good.
Nggak jalan videonya pantas yoi. Pada ngomel nih di live chat nih, lihat. Pada ngomel. Woi, lag. Oh, udah mulai nih. Udah bagus. Anjir, burik banget dah. Oke, nampak wajah-wajah staff dari kedua kesebelasan itu kayak tegang banget doi.
Lingard. Luis Alberto. Over to the left. And a header!
Nunes, wow, gokil Nunes. Ya, offside.
Late call, but it's
Bagus padahal golnya.
Yeah, the referee had spotted his assistant's raised flag. He has now, so he threw the goal out for offside.
moment's uncertainty there. But
Golnya bagus padahal coy. Saya suka gol-gol kayak gitu tuh. Pala belakang ya.
Oh, that's such a good run. More of that, please.
Elangga ada Darwin lagi. Darwin Nunes memang OP. Wah, sejak yang saya lihat ini malah Dewa nih bagus nih mainnya. Wah, bahaya.
it was all about the delivery.
Look, it's often the timing of the jump that
Wah, hampir
you can do with any header in this
hampir kebobolan coy PSM.
struggle, but that was beautifully met. It really was.
He's made it 3. Quite a day at the office for him.
This is frightening football. He has increased defensive fear on the way to that hat-trick.
Wish, bahaya sekali syutingnya.
Three without reply. This is becoming a stroll. Out to the left it goes. It's run loose here. Lingard.
Ya Lingard. Oh, kok enggak? Sandi tadi.
It's a pretty loose pass.
Oh, si Reza yang jadi kiper.
Belter is on. Darwin.
This is what good chemistry is.
Darwin lagi. Respect.
Like that. He's into double.
Darwin Nunes terlalu OP. Kayaknya terlalu OP ya bola-bola udaranya di PES ini ya, di football.
It was a great header. The invitation was irresistible and the finish on
Pengen pakai kartu Nunes di FIFA Mobile tapi 3 bintang skill 50. Kurang enak goce-goce.
Get his head to the ball.
4 in the game. He is the man.
Kasih menang Dewa United aja. Tidak bisa begitu.
It's become a case of men against boys.
Agak berat juga sih pressure-nya di PSM ini karena sebagai tim yang belum terkalahkan ya. Jadi kayak mereka berusaha untuk mempertahankan. Lord Lingard, ayo Lingard. Darwin lagi, Darwin. Aduh Darwin. Bentar ganti pemain dulu lah ya. Kok pengaturan taktik. Lingard, out dulu Anda. Mainkan Lee Kang In ya. Lee Kang In, kemudian Vitinha mungkin masuk kali ya. Coba ganti Luis Alberto dulu. Pemain tengah aja saya ganti semua nih. Alan di CDM aja dah. Wih, Ibnu Kurniawan sudah, wah nggak kerasa ya, sudah 9 bulan loh. Udah lama juga. Oh iya, joinnya di Januari kemarin kan, 2022.
Strong running down that left flank. That's a throw. Ross are able now to make their substitution. It's been on the cards for a few moments now.
Bahaya tendangannya.
Number 3. Coming on to replace him is number 14.
Berisha. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Good spot, he's seen the run. A real chance to.
Waduh dulu.
Well, it didn't look good for real danger here. He is through here. In towards the middle. Lee Kang In. Now, who's going to be first to this? He's gone for a throw in. It's pretty clear that he's being singled out.
Yeah, they've set out to man mark him now, but this
Darwin 5 gol, di blok. Kalau saya 18 bulan 19 hari member, OTW 2 tahun. Wah, jadi member merah pertama nih. Satria Nanda, waalaikumsalam. Iya, nggak kerasa ya membership loh. Padahal dulu saya nggak ngerti itu. Maksudnya YouTube apa itu ngasih membership ya? Udah 2 tahun loh, 2020 kan itu pertama kali ada.
but from here that looks a harder thing to do.
Gets good distance on it.
Nanti saya ngertinya membership itu pas dijelasin sama ini.
Laid out to the left.
Mas Kumis yang update di channelnya juga kan. Kan kalau nggak salah channel FIFA pertama yang ada membershipnya itu kan Mas Kumis dulu lah. Habis itu baru channel-channel lain juga.
Darwin.
Ayo Darwin.
Lee Kang In.
Darwin Nunes.
Manchester United were again presented with an opportunity to break and look very, very threatening.
Bung Rensu pekan 9 sudah manyun, Mas pekan 10 manyun lagi Bang, harus. Pokoknya tidak mau tahu. PSM wajib menang ini.
Substitution, well, his stamina was called into question. There's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the efforts he put in. He was very
PSM wajib, aduh.
quite able.
Lee Kang In. Defense has got rid of that. Dangerous cutout. Vitinha.
Oke, Minamino. Astaga. Lolos dong.
He's in acres of space here.
Darwin. Wah, Darwin Nunes.
Put it wide.
Apa yang terjadi? Oh, target banyak banget peluang sudah nih. Likangin udah habis stamina juga Likangin.
Back into the middle. That is one way to stop it.
Likangin, masih Likangin itu mencoba bawa bola. Wah. Ya.
And the number on the board is
Ya, flips.
it's a break
Jangan.
here. He's got away. Oh, that's a vigorous challenge. And that's it.
Oke.
Manchester United
Itu dia selesai sudah untuk
opponents top
pertandingan pertama kita.
They are comprehensive winners. Darwin very much the hero in this game. What are your thoughts on today's game then, Jim? Yeah, we knew there was a
Bentar, saya ganti judul dulu ya.
quality of
What's
both
along
squads and the story
sambil main e-football.
predictable fashion. So many thanks to
Aduh,
you, Ben.
karena lagi nonton PSM juga ini.
Good evening to you.
We come to you now with a quick request for support for our World Charity Fund.
PSM versus Dewa. Sambil main eFootball 2023 PS5. Oke. Ini sisa 57 udah menit ke 57 nih. Bentar ya, ini saya mau fokus dulu ya nonton PSM-nya, jadi kita watch along dulu lah. Lagian tinggal beberapa menit lagi nih. Nanti kita lanjutkan main e-footballnya. Saya mau fokus nonton dulu nih, kayaknya seru. 1-0 soalnya ya. Oke. Kita nonton aja dulu PSM-nya. Gak fokus saya mainnya. Pelanggaran cuy, kartu kuning. Siapa nih kartu kuning? Oh, si Ramadan Sananta. Harus dapat poin sampai 2580 bang. Ntar dapat bintang 5 dan bisa tukar player. Yang mana? Yang misi yang ini kah? Yang sekarang? Yang saya jalankan ini? Kasih nafas Bung Rensu 1 pekan lah. Nah, kasih nafasnya di next match aja. Jangan di match ini. Lingard naik lagi nih. Oke, 874 poin. Tadi berapa? Butuh berapa? 2.580. Wih, dapat 80.000 GP nih. Kenzo ditarik. Lewandowski 1.100.000 ya. Wow. Bahaya, bahaya. Apa yang terjadi PSM? No. Kebobolan dong. Aduh. Terlalu pelan tadi ya. Dodolannya. Ya ampun, imbang, Cok. Bentar, bentar. Coba kita klaim dulu hadiahnya nih. Maguire dong, beli cuma 74k. Ngumpulin duit, ngumpulin GP dulu, mau beli Ronaldo saya ini. Jangan Maguire. Gak sudi. GG bang, Rans menang yoi. Atas Persebaya. Tadi saya prediksi Persebaya, ternyata ya begitulah. Persebaya lagi drop memang permainannya. Ayo PSM, nyetak gol ayo kawan-kawan. Edo mainnya keren kalau di Rans. Wah, saya nggak nonton sih tadi. Tadi Rans berapa skornya? Ya, si Osman yang nyetak gol. Oke, pergantian pemain lagi, ada Iksan ini. Coba masuk. Oh, 2-1 ya, lumayan tipis. Dewa ini wajib menang ya di sini ya. Parah sih kalau sekarang Dewa posisi berapa tuh? Dewa posisi 12 ya, baru 3 kali kemenangan sih. 3 kali menang, 2 kali imbang, 5 kali kalah. PSM juga lumayan banyak imbangnya nih. Kalau imbang lagi berarti 4 tuh. Gol kemenangan dicetak menit 89. Wah. Drama ya. 2 match lagi udah dapat 2 calon pemain bintang dan 4 pemain bintang, Bang. Bisa tuker ke Charles dan Andre Onana bintang 5. Makanya tadi lumayan rusak habis pertandingan, penonton ke lapangan. Ramai bedah. Ciri khas. Sangat-sangat ciri khas ya. Sepak bola kita emang. Rusuh mulu. Enggak pertandingan kasta tertinggi, kasta terendah juga rusuh juga itu. Saya jadi ingat dulu zaman-zaman masih sekolah ya. Nah, di rumah itu kan, depan rumah itu kan ada lapangan tuh, lapangan sepak bola. Jadi sering ada pertandingan antar antar sekolah, di situ dilaksanakan di situ, kemudian juga pertandingan antara desa. Ya kan, itu sering banget situ, dan ya begitu, rusuh juga. Sering banget ribut di lapangan. Rusuh juga. Ada keamanan sih semuanya ya, ada polisi segala macam yang jaga. Cuman ya kan nggak sebanding Pak jumlah massa penonton dengan pihak yang mengamankan pertandingan, ya beda. Jadi kalau masanya rusuh masuk ke lapangan nggak bisa dikontrol juga. Selalu kayak gitu. Rusuh terus. Lagi nonton PSM, yoi. Ini lagi nonton nih. Jadi lagi fokus nonton, soalnya seru-serunya nih, lagi imbang satu sama. Agak kurang agresif serangan PSM ini. Apakah karena gara-gara nggak ada William Plim nih? Jantungnya PSM. Justru Dewa yang lebih menekan nih. Edo di klub bagus, masuk timnas kena hujat. Iya sih. Kalau ingat dulu ya pertandingannya, dia kayak orang bilang ya udah arahan aja, ngapain sih Edo masuk. Kemarin kan di timnas. Bahaya. Iya sih, Pluim ini benar-benar ngaruh banget di PSM. Lebih bertahan ini sekarang mereka. PSM masuk kandidat juara. Iya, masuk sih. Cuman ya karena satu-satunya tim yang belum pernah kalah sekarang kan sejauh ini. Jadi bisa dibilang masuk kandidat juga. Waduh. Bentar ya. Liga Indo tersadis kayaknya 8 pekan udah ada pelatih out. Belum lagi kalau ada kerusuhan dari penonton. Memang. Nah. Apa yang Oh, offset ya? Ramadan Sananta. Waduh. Ditekan terus BSM-nya. Iya, ricuh lagi tuh. Ricuh lagi. Tiga besar ya? Ya itu aja sih, masih Madura. Kemungkinan ya hingga paruh musim. Madura, PSM. Borneo juga masih oke sih ini. Tersisa kurang lebih 15 menit lagi ya. Sananta. Aduh. Itu tadi udah mau di syuting ya, cuman Kayaknya sih pelanggaran tadi kena kaki itu. Brian Cesar masuk. Donald bisa masuk. Oh. Offside ya. Gimana dengan Persija dan raksasa lagi satu lainnya? Kalau Persija sih saya masih agak ragu ya untuk musim ini masuk 3 besar sih. Cuman ya masih tetap ya, tidak menutup kemungkinan juga bisa sih. Karena mulai perlahan tapi pasti ini mulai naik permainannya Persija. Udah mulai konsisten juga. Penalti kah? Bukan penalti coy. Wow, Brian no. Tegang banget di lapangan coy. Di Sugeng masuk. Masuk. No. Astaga. Wah, kipernya sih juga. Udah bagus pada sundulannya. Cuman tadi agak telat yang pas bolanya rebound ya, telat di shooting lagi. Keburu diblok sama pemain Dewa. Nah, Astaga. Halo Bang, apakah sang aparat penegak hukum sheriff akan menghukummu? Loh, kenapa dihukum, Pak? Waduh. Waktu sebetulnya nggak di pause lah, kenapa di pause? Kan saya masih live nih. Hitungannya kayak tadi malam aja sih, nonton timnas juga kan sama aja. Buat selong. Kecuali kalau saya nggak ada di depan kamera sini harus di pause karena ya orangnya nggak ada, ngapain nonton? Orangnya nggak ada. Oh, MU. Oh, iya ya. Enggak, harus MU menang, cuy. Tapi memang bebannya sih lebih berat ya. Saya sih sebagai pendukungnya apa? MU agak lumayan bebannya itu kayak lumayan berat kalau misalnya lawan-lawan tim-tim menengah ke bawah di Liga Inggris ya. Dibanding tim besar, saya sih lebih takut lawan kayak Brighton, Brentford, Sheffield, tim-tim kayak gitu di Liga Inggris dibanding kayak lawan mungkin Liverpool, Chelsea, City. Apakah menurut Bang Kulhak adakah striker lokal yang wajib dilirik Sintayong menjelang melawan Kurakau nanti? Kalau saya pribadi sih udah cocok banget ya si Hoki Karaka itu. Karena kemarin saya nggak lihat di pertandingan sebelumnya ya. Saya belum pernah lihat dia main di pertandingan sebelumnya, jadi saya nggak bisa terlalu menilai pemain si Hoki ini kayak gimana. Tapi kalau yang saya nonton kemarin pas main timnas lawan Timor Leste itu Doi udah bagus sih, udah bagus banget, udah meningkat sih. Kalau menurut saya. Bukan pelanggan. Yang ini tadi nih replaynya. Jadi wasit emang harus kebal sih. Mending mainin career mode PAOK FC bang. Iya menarik sih. PAOK FC Legend itu di channel Suara Cinol. Kenapa nggak striker Liga 1 aja bang? nggak tahu juga tuh Sintayong. Cuman mungkin Sintayong lebih lihat bakat terpendam di hoki mungkin kali ya. Banyak sih sebenarnya juga striker Liga 1 yang bagus. Cuman nggak tahu ya Sintayong ini. Tapi memang udah bagus sih hokinya. Tapi kalau memang mau masuk di tim senior kayaknya belum. Naik level sih ya, tapi belum masuk senior lah. Oke, 4 menit terakhir nih. Ya! Ayo 3 menit lagi nih. Baru panas PSM di menit-menit akhir. Shinji Kagawa masih di PAOK FC bang. Kalau Dewa versus PSM imbang, keuntungan buat Dewa sendiri. Setelah kalah, telak dari Bali United. Oh. Ayo Dewa United. 2 menit, drama nih, yuk drama dong. Rusuh nih kayaknya. Terjatuh doi. Tenang banget backnya. Wow, bahaya sekali. Ngeri-ngeri tendangannya. Lucas Ramos. Satu poin cukup atau bahkan penting bagi Dewa United, bang. Biar apa? Biar pelatihnya nggak dipecat. Apakah Nunes sudah menjadi Andy Carroll kedua? 4 menit ya? Ya lumayan. Lumayan lama nih boy, 4 menit. Uh, gila. Kelas itu tendangannya tadi. Star. Oke, 2 menit berlalu. Corner Pak. Aduh, bahaya sih ini. Ah, imbang ini mah. Biar Bung Rensu gak manyun lagi. Imbang cuy. Aduh. Gagal PSM, dapat 3 poin. Baiklah, kita melanjutkan lagi eFootball.
Volunteers to each block. Please report.
Kali ini nggak usah mainkan Lingard dulu. PT-nya boleh. Wah, ini juga kiper kita belum pernah main nih, si siapa namanya? Siapa sih kiper kita di bangku cadangan? Oh ini Meslier. Arahan dulu masuk ya, babak kedua aja sih. Oke, let's go. Imbang yo. Sayang sekali.
Well, a very good evening to you wherever you are. I do hope
Bentar, ambil minum dulu saya.
you're appreciating this truly beautiful evening. A night that is absolutely ideal for a game of football. The scenes here really are something. A beautiful picture under the floodlights. Traffic and transport round here, not the kindest. But regardless of that, the fans have found a way of getting here. There is a sense of theatre and the decibel levels are rising.
Old Trafford rising to the occasion as only Old Trafford can. Some terrific scenes at the Stretford end.
Oke, kita mulai kick off babak pertama.
That gets things running.
Halo Ronaldo. Iya bro, udah selesai PSM. Imbang, sayang sekali sih.
Spread out to the left. And they've got a throw. Vitinha. Oh, it's picked out the runner. Oh, well played. He's taken that really cleanly. Bentaleb.
Lah, kartu itu kayaknya.
That's going to be a
Kartu kuning. Ya, masih tidak terkalahkan sih memang, cuman ya kalau terlalu banyak imbang juga
Darwin. Vitinha.
pipinya.
It's taken
Dapat lagi pipinya.
well played.
Darwin, oi, nice. Masuk nih. Waduh, tendangannya.
Oh, that was nice, but not quite the end product required. It didn't quite come off on this occasion, but it only needs a gentle tweak.
Nunas. Ayo kita kumpul GP dulu. Beli Ronaldo. Walaupun rendah di sini ratingnya 80-an doang. Cuman tetap aja Ronaldo tetap Ronaldo.
Now it's Darwin. This is good pressing. They're not short on bodies.
Elangga nendang angin doi.
Danger averted for now. Picked it back
Oke,
promptly.
Sandi.
Now the breakaway. Pull past that, sloppy. Bentaleb is offering an apologetic gesture of sorts.
He made it look a bit predictable.
Donald bisa nggak guna.
Without complication.
Sayang sekali tadi ya kesalahan itu.
Defending of the desperate variety.
Golnya Dewa, kesalahan dari pemain belakang PSM tadi.
Turns back here, probably the best option.
Oke, Minamino.
Still goalless at the moment. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising.
Itunya. Wah. Lagi.
Really should have been made to pay.
Bintang 3. Off target.
Now it's Darwin. Well, they're certainly pressing with purpose here. Ball's gone out of play. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge.
Loh,
That's clear cut. It's a free kick. And that's
kartu.
kick. Well, he
Rudiger juga dapat kartu.
chances, hadn't he, Peter? I mean, he was never going to get away with that one. Can he finish?
Wow, keras banget. Wah, beruntung sih. Beruntung kita nggak masuk itu. Kalau ntar semisal mau tuker sama Charles, saya punya racikannya bang. Oke.
Gets up to head.
Loh kok enggak?
Oh, the ball's run loose here. Vitinha,
Idenya.
and now a sudden chance to counter.
Ayo Darwin.
Now it's Darwin. Luis Alberto.
Minamino habis sudah stamina.
Luis Alberto. Vitinha. Bit of a communication breakdown there, it seems. They've managed to get it away. He's going for goal.
Masuk, let's go.
Manchester United.
Luis Alberto.
Just
Oh,
like that.
selebrasinya Gabriel Jesus nih.
Running at once.
Regista buat just talk tandingan pakai mukanya Pangeran Siahan. Judulnya pakai talk pula.
It looks telepathic.
Talk. Just talk. Luis Alberto. Kaki kanan ya. Wow. Kelas.
Manchester United draw first blood here.
Yeah, this is also a chance to see what happens to their level of concentration from here.
And out to safety. Bentaleb. Long ball out to the right. Bentaleb gives his colleague a guilty look.
The movement was good, but the pass lacked authority, a cause of mild frustration.
It's a pretty loose pass. Fiddles it through. He's in acres of space here. Tries a shot.
Pipinya.
And somehow he's managed to
Pipinya kenapa kayak gini sih?
Is please ground, swallow me up.
Nelpon kali. Bola menolak masuk sebelum disogok. Pinter juga ya. Mesti disogok dulu bolanya. Bagus tuh dia, Luis Alberto satu tim sama Gabriel Jesus tuh. Sama-sama selebrasi nelpon.
Darwin. That's a nicely measured pass. And the finish.
Ah,
Now, who's going to be first to this?
Lah,
That's a foul. Simple decision for the referee. Vitinha.
oke VT-nya. Luis Alberto.
First 45 minutes are up. So there you have it.
Ya, itu dia babak pertama.
On the football, but one that still had its moments. Ultimately produced just one goal. Decent game up to now.
Gajinya belum dibayar.
The fans and the players are definitely happy with that scoreline. The question is now, can they protect it?
Penguasaan bola udah bagus,
Manchester
53%.
United come off having scored the only goal of the game so far. It's been tight, it's been exciting, and there is certainly plenty for us to chew on during the break. And we are already promptly back on the way. Manchester United carrying a one-goal lead.
Oke, Sandi. Nah, rokok enggak.
Luis
Luis
Alberto.
Alberto.
He's gone for goal! He's got away with one there. Luis Alberto, Darwin, Vitinha.
Nah, Elangga.
You can never be short of runners into space, as long as the space left behind
Sandi.
is filled.
Oh, some tackle that.
Oke, sebentar. Taktik permainan dulu. VT-nya nanti dulu lah, likangin aja deh. Likangin, kemudian untuk Arhan di dekat Arhan ganti juga nih Arhan. Oke.
Manchester United are making a change now.
Substitution on the field. Number 17. Number
He's
38
felt that, hasn't he?
Oke, Luis Alberto.
coming on the field.
Now it's Darwin.
Number 7. Number 21.
Uno.
Iya, kayaknya kita kelarin aja nih.
It's a nicely weighted
Tersisa 1
pass.
jam lagi.
Just coming up to the hour mark, and it's still 1-0. Lee Kang-in,
Likangin.
Match from
Darwin.
70,987.
Bentaleb producing a good steal there, showing a good level of alertness. Lee Kang-in. Now who's going to be first to this?
Luis Alberto.
Away from immediate danger. That's been intercepted.
Timber.
Chilwell. Luis Alberto.
Nah,
Oh, super
Elangga. Ih. Tendangannya.
take, but that is where it stops.
Ini berapa match nih yang di apa namanya event yang
When runs in
pemula ini?
are being made like
Berapa match ya?
Great defending, strong and determined. A real chance to break. Played into the box.
Dombia.
Bentaleb. It's a good ball and he could be in.
Out. Ya, tersisa 1 jam lagi.
On the touchline.
Apakah hari ini Subatonnya bakal selesai atau malah ditambah lagi? Berbahaya, tadi tidak ada angin, tidak ada hujan, tiba-tiba Mas ERP muncul dengan 250.000.
Luis Alberto.
Biasanya kan dia muncul di chat dulu tuh. Halo bang. Nah, wah bahaya tuh kalau udah muncul.
there, Peter. Peter.
Tapi tadi siang nggak ada sama sekali chatnya.
To try settle
Tiba-tiba 250 aja. Langsung nambah.
And that has been clubbed away. Pressing's intense and it's paid off.
Minamino, woi bagus sih tadi itu bloknya.
Manchester United clearly have been instructed to kill this off. Offence is the best form of defence.
Rudiger spots it and intercepts. Luis Alberto
Alberto dikangin,
played out to the right.
Elanga, Darwin Nunes.
And that would have won it.
Well, he's definitely kept the side in the game then. That's really good positioning. They could have doubled their lead there.
Ini kagak real PES kan? Wah, genriknya masih sama dengan PES. Minamino,
And he's there to clear it. Algier
Sima,
counter promptly here.
oke, Chilwell, ya, Mendy.
Ball not quite right. His teammates are irritated at that. Lee Kang in. Pass needed to be better. It looks as
Lee Kang
though
in.
that might lead to something quite promising, but
Pelanggaran lagi.
been given.
Di event starter 1 match lagi dapat calon pemain bintang, Bang. Oh. Tinggal event lain Italian League.
Poor pass that, sloppy.
Algier might just end up kicking themselves
Ayo,
after that.
Chilwell.
They're lucky enough to get
Wish.
it.
Lolos. Wah. Ah, kurang di shot lagi ah. Sampai jam berapa Bang live-nya? Sampai habis nih waktu subatonnya.
Corner number 2 then.
Kurang sisa 57 menit. Tapi kalau misalnya nambah lagi waktunya ya kita lanjutin besok.
Their priority lies further back.
Darwin.
There will be
Look,
1
there
minute
has to be
added
more
time.
urgency here. The ball has to get to the other end much faster.
And he's gone backward here. Now there's a and the shot!
Hmm.
And with that, the final whistle. Terrific contest. It
1-0 doang.
tipped either way. The margins were tiny. Just a goal in it. But that was enough. Luis Alberto picking up the Man of the Match award. And no surprise there. How do you look back on the game then, Jim?
And there's a lot more to read into this game. than
Weh,
just
si Luis Alberto kan?
And with that, it's time for me to thank Jim Begley.
Itu dibikin lebih menarik lagi deh cutscene kayak gitu ya. Wawancaranya kayak gimana sih lebih bagus lagi. Itu kayak monoton banget, datar sekali. Oke. Oh, 40.000 dapat. Nice. Berarti ini sisa 1 match lagi ya untuk yang event starternya nih. Oke, berarti 1 match lagi untuk starter. Lawan siapa kita nih? Nantes. Oke.
And if you do have a chance today, please take some time out to give your support to our Venice Stadium Fund.
Oke, Lingard. Ya kayak gini aja. Gas. Prediksi skor Bali versus Persis Solo, Bang. Akankah ada kejutan dari tim promosi? Meragukan sih. Kayaknya kayaknya Bali yang menang itu. Prediksinya Bali.
Well, good evening wherever you are on this most pleasant evening. As you can see, there's been a terrific atmosphere here. There is great expectation, excitement, and it has built nicely in these idyllic conditions. Conditions which are certainly playing their part in creating a glorious ambience. It's quite a struggle to get in here. Points of access hard to come by, and an awful lot of people gathering to get through the gates. But regardless of that, there's a great feel here.
Oke, Jesse Lingard, Elanga, terus Alberto.
This place simply a monument to the game. So much prestige, so much pride, so much passion whenever football is played here. The action has already started. Darwin. Luis Alberto!
Wah, kelas.
And what a great way to start the game, to spark the game. I mean, the captain
Luis Alberto, bro.
the contest and
Kapten kita nih.
livelier than we anticipated. Get your seatbelts on. This could be rather exciting.
Ntar sekalian cek sisa berapa trainernya, Bang.
Keeper deserves
Oke,
some
bisa.
sympathy there. He may not have seen that until too late.
After 7 minutes is number 8, Luis Alberto.
Manchester United are ahead, 1 goal to the good. And that's the end of that. It all started well enough. And he's found the run. Keeper's ball. Well time, excellent interception.
Merlin.
You can never be short of runners into space, as long as the space left behind is filled.
Oke, Sandi.
Looking to break out here. Lingard. Some good persistent defending here. Pull past that, sloppy. Oh, they could break here. Fiddles it through. No, that's
Oke, Timber. Ya.
Luis Alberto. Now then, the ball's come loose. Flashes it across.
Nunes.
Oh, not the best of headers. Darwin. And they're quick to press. Could move up a gear here. It's a good ball and he could be in. Oh, it's open. Chance!
Wuh.
That is one way to stop him. It's all a little bit desperate, but it's got the job done.
Oh, that's brilliantly defended, though. It looked destined for a goal.
It's a pretty loose pass.
Wah, pelanggaran sih. Bukan pelanggaran loh.
Just.
Well, I thought they got off lightly there. The odds were stacked against them.
Now it's Darwin. Lingard. Now it's Darwin. And the finish! Good try. The outcome could still needs to be a bit different.
Yeah, he may have snatched at that a bit, even though it was quite close.
Besok nih kaku lagi saya main FIFA nih kayaknya. Kalau kelamaan main di football.
Must
Ayo Elangga.
The ball's been lost. He's got away.
Masuk kali ini harus. Let's go, Darwin Núñez.
And this is getting better and better.
Tinggal dilihat aja bang berapa total poin acara yang sudah didapat dan sisa berapa poin nih.
Delightfully
Oh,
and finished it off sumptuously.
jadi itu poinnya semakin tinggi difficulty-nya semakin banyak poin yang kita dapat kan? Jadi kalau misalnya main di legenda itu bakal lebih banyak poin setiap match-nya kan?
Manchester United have a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
Well, at 1-0, this contest was still nicely poised, but now
Nah,
it's gone to
kata-kata ini nih.
mindsets are affected a lot
Kalian dengar kata-kata komentatornya barusan?
play, and that losing
Itu kata-kata paling bosan saya dengerin dari komentator PES ataupun eFootball.
Lingard. Minamino. The defence proved infallible.
Kayak Rudiger,
And that won't be the last they'll see of him.
Chilwell.
Minamino. Now it's Minamino. Nice interception, well timed. A real chance to break. Pressing is high and relentless. Half time coming up, and little doubt as to which of the two sides is the happier. Did well to step in there. That was more than necessary. Luis Alberto.
Mina, Minamino.
Ball's run loose here. Oh, wonderful effort all by himself.
Well, we can't question the quality of the run. He'll have to answer for the rest.
There will be 1 minute added time.
He's felt that, hasn't he? Oh, lovely bit of skill. Minamino. And it's Chilwell. Great chance! It's a loose ball. Oh, and with that, the half-time whistle goes. Some first-half thoughts? Well, it's
Terlebih lagi ada pemain Persis Solo yang asli berasal dari Ngawi bang, Irfan Jauhari. Irfan Jauhari sekarang umur berapa sih?
Repeat their first half success with another show of strength.
Kemarin itu lama juga dia waktu kita main di ini ya,
half-time.
di PES 2021 itu kan kita pakai patch-nya AFP itu ya. Jadi pemain-pemain Indonesia kan ada. Nah, Irfan Jauhari itu salah satu pemain yang lumayan lama kemarin dapat real face.
And the second half gets underway.
Lingard really added the width there thanks to his willingness to make the run.
And there's his chance
Okay,
to
Melvin.
make the counter. It's an inviting looking ball, that. Well, that had the makings of something quite promising, but it's fizzled out into nothing. A real chance if he can get through. Spread out to the left, all the way through, so back it comes. And that has been clubbed away. Now it's Darwin. It's anyone's ball now. Gets good distance on it. Now this could be a chance.
Darwin Núñez.
He's done very well to get to that.
The keeper really dug out his defence then. A magnificent effort.
Tapi jangan dulu kalau dengan squad yang sekarang. Saya sendiri pernah nyoba level legenda, kadang menang, kadang seri, kadang juga kalah.
Lewis
Iya
Alberto,
sih.
a short one.
Squad kayak gini sih masih lemah sekali. Mana nggak ada cadangan winger pula lagi.
Nons could start a counter here. Good pressure. No shortage of purpose here. Excellent challenge there. Uncompromising. Look now the finish.
Woi, let's go.
Rampant.
Darwin Núñez, come on.
Cruising away. Well, there was to be no other outcome. And he's done it again. He's got his second.
After 59 minutes is number 20.
Oh, kelahiran 2001 ya? Let's go Mas Darwin. Mantap.
3 without reply. This is becoming a stroll.
The attendance for this match
Now it's
was
Lewis Alberto.
72,306.
Well, they've got him back in a hurry. Oh, it's come loose. Luis Alberto. Oh, that's a very decent ball now.
Apa itu?
Tries a shot. That is played back to front. Oh, it's just lacking in accuracy. Lingard is being picked on here.
Well, the quicker you cut out the service,
Minamino.
the sooner you isolate his threat.
Lingard. Aduh, Lingard.
It goes to show he is human after all.
All he'll be thinking is, please, ground, swallow me up.
Kolong tadi itu, Pak.
Substitution on the field. Number 3.
Oh, sebentar.
To replace him is
Kita ganti Lingard dulu sama Dikangin, kemudian Alan masuk juga. Pemain tengah aja kita ganti semua. Luis Alberto juga ganti nih. Elanga juga udah. Tapi nggak ada winger kan?
Now some movement on the bench, and we are going to see a change.
Dikangin masuk cuy.
Really good management, introducing one of his younger players when the
Sampai jam
pressure
berapa live-nya bang? 40 menit lagi.
valuable easy on-field experience time.
Merlin.
No way through there. That's an excellent interception. That's going to go a long way. Musa Sissoko. Played out to the right. Chilwell cuts out the pass. Vitinha.
Toko.
Clears it out of harm's way. Lovely ball into space. Move forward and quickly so. Now it's Darwin.
Nah, Elanga gol nih. Elanga.
It's in. Results no longer in doubt. It's just about how many.
Respectnya kayak gitu. Mas Kaisang pengen teriak gol malah nggak jadi.
Win the ball and then unleash.
after 75 minutes is number 36.
Let's go.
The changes then in quick succession.
Well, his stamina was called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the effort he put in. He was very willing, though, not quite able.
Number 7.
Manchester United totally rampant here.
Midfield is
Challenge just a bit on the firm side. Lee Kang-in. Now it's Minamino.
Minamino. Udah nggak bisa lari dia. Udah habis stamina-nya cuy.
Front line. Oh, that's well spotted. Lee Kang-in. Musa Sissoko.
Manchester United have turned up with a human blockade. This is top defence.
Played back in. Lee Kang-in. Back in possession and ready to
Timan.
go again. Oh, and he's broken the line here. Gets his pass away.
Oh, that's such a good run. More of that, please.
Great hit.
Oh, kayak di block, nice.
First to this.
has been indicated.
Might be danger here.
No, aduh.
Oh, terrific save.
Bahaya sekali.
He's going to be disappointed with that. Oh, what a ball he's in. There's the hit.
Bah, gagal clean sheet. Aduh.
Oh, the invitation was received with such a clever run, and he had that defence in utter confusion.
Gagal clean sheet coy. Astaga. Ini poinnya bakal berkurang juga nggak sih? Ada pengurangan poin nggak kalau misalnya kita kebobolan gitu? Apakah lebih banyak gol, lebih banyak poin atau bagaimana? Belum lihat selebrasi respect yang satunya, mungkin yang kedua bang. Oh.
Referee looks at his watch and blows him.
Oke, itu dia.
Manchester United were irresistible here. Dominant, utterly ruthless.
Menang, tapi sayang sekali sih. Padahal tinggal detik-detik terakhir loh.
Picking up the man of the match award, and no surprise there. How do you look back on the game then, Jim?
Yeah, we knew there was a sizable gap in the quality of both squads, and the story was told in predictable fashion.
Games for me is to thank Jim Beglin. That's it from us tonight. A very good evening.
Naik level. Apakah berarti sudah selesai? 874 poin ya. 80.000 GP. Oh, udah kelar ya. Berarti tinggal Italian League, J League sama Worldwide. Nah, ini Worldwide kayak nggak bisa itu. Sebentar kita lihat rewardnya dulu. Kita klaim dulu hadiahnya. Kemudian oh, yang penting menang ya. Nah, udah bisa beli nih. GP udah 500.000, udah bisa beli Ronaldo nggak sih? Ambil ya. ikonik banget masalahnya, walaupun ya cuman pakai GP doang kita belinya, bukan pakai kartu legend kemarin itu. ...86 490. Lumayan biar ada backup-nya Nunes juga. Enggak Nunes yang jadi backup-nya Ronaldo. Ini jadi pemain utama nanti. Ada ininya nggak sih? Ada racikannya Ronaldo? Apakah bisa diracik juga nih? Sekali beli Ronaldo langsung GP sekarat bang. Kalau bang Kulak mau beli nggak apa-apa. Racikan bikin sendiri, alihkan otomatis. Oke. Ya sih sekarat emang ini. Jadi nggak bisa beli pemain lagi cuy. Tapi nggak apa-apa. Demi Bang Dodo. Tinggal Bang Dodo kita rekrut aja. Cristiano Ronaldo. Nah, saya pengen dia. Pokoknya. Walaupun gratisan, tapi nggak apa-apa ya. Cristiano Ronaldo 4, oke 86 ya. Tindakan pemain. Kok dikunci? Pemburu gol. Aneh banget dah bahasanya. Pemburu gol coy. Oke, kita udah beli Ronaldo dan GP kita pun sekarat. Nah, sisa 17.000. Wah, nggak bisa dialokasikan otomatis nih. Oh, udah nggak bisa ya, udah nggak nambah kayaknya. Nggak ada poin. Cara dapetin poinnya kayak gimana? Nggak ada poin, nggak ada poin. Jadi si Ronaldo ini kita naikkan ke cadangan dulu ya. Nah, kita turunkan aja si ini ya. Nah, Ronaldo di atas. Ini dulu. Nah, Ronaldo kiper aja paling bawah sih. Nah, terus Darwin Nunes. Oke, bangku cadangan ya. Langsung diracik bang, kecakapan gaya mana? Bentar. Tindakan pemain, latihan. Oh ini nih. Trainernya belum. Oh. Ini nggak ada otomatis di trainernya. Ini baiknya yang mana nih? Latihan level. Apa yang 25.000 aja tadi? Yang ini 10.000 pengalaman maksudnya. 25 poin. Yang 4K masukin 5 atau 4, sisanya 10K. Oke. Ya udah 4 aja. Nih, alokasikan otomatis. Oke, 94. Udah betul nggak sih latihan kita nih? Ronaldo 94. Lewandowski yang legend itu 97 ya. Ini Darwin belum kita latihan kayaknya tuh. Tapi cuman bisa 5 ya. Kalau Luis Alberto nggak ada nih, boy. Udah mentok. Oh, kalau legend kayaknya mentok ya. Di gaya main tim penguasaan bola belum di max. Coba ini si pemain akan menerima 44 poin. Poin kemajuan 6 ya. Ini coba saya kasih max aja dah. Langga. Oke, jadinya 87 ya. Lumayan sih. Cuman penguasaan bola, kalau pemain kayak Langga jangan yang 10 ke pengawas. Oh. Tapi udah max tadi yang bawahnya itu. Udah 87. Wah, masih banyak yang mesti di training sih ini. Wah, bentar-bentar. Koneksi internet lagi nggak mendukung ini kayaknya. Aduh, kok merah terus ini? Ini nge-lag sih. Oke lah ya, jadi kayaknya nggak bisa lanjut lagi nih. Nggak merah di sini. Ini saya harus turunin bitrate. Aturan di gaya main tim dulu, Bang. Baru statistik pemain. Gaya main tim dulu, baru statistik. Oke, nanti kita bakal lanjutkan lagi. Soalnya ini nggak... Nah. Jadi kita lanjutin besok ya. Besok saya tambah waktunya 1 jam. 1 jam lebih. Karena nggak mungkin kita live streaming dengan durasi waktu 23 menit kan. Nggak mungkin, jadi besok kita tambah. Besok itu jadwalnya arahan hari Jumat jam 10 ya. Yuk. Sebelum kesikat ini harus... Wah, merah terus. Bentar saya pause dulu.